Yeah, what's up everyone? Namaste, Namaskaram to all the India's viewers here. This is your African voice, myself, Gabs Gabi, and this is
Now from KD.
KD. We are
Yeah.
from South Sudan, that is Africa, and today we are going to react to
It's God.
Who is God, explained by Sadhguru and Zakir. So, I don't know. You know who is God, we know who is God, and they know who is God. So together let's know the truth. Without wasting time, kindly, I'm requesting you guys, this is our new reaction channel. So I need to show some love, subscribe now, let's go.
My question, first question, I have few questions to ask. Who is God?
Brother asked a question, who is God? And this is the same question that was asked by the Christians to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And he was, what should I answer? We can keep on speaking about God. Then the revelation came. Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4. Kul huwallahu ahad. Say he is Allah one and only. Allahu samad. Allah the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like him. This is a four-line definition of Almighty God given in the Quran. Any candidate you say is Almighty God, if that candidate fits in this four-line definition, we Muslims have got no objection in accepting that candidate as God. The first is Kul huwallahu ahad. Say is Allah one and only. Number two, Allahu samad. Allah the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like him. This is the four-line definition of Almighty God. Whoever you worship and say is God, if he fits in this four-line definition, the Muslims have got no objection in accepting that person as God. Hope that.
Here is from Sadhguru.
The soul is sacred for people. The body is filthy. How is it possible? Yes? That's what we've been doing, isn't it so? Saying God is sacred, creation is filthy. How is it possible? The very thought of God occurred to you only because you saw creation, isn't it? When you were born and you opened your eyes, you looked around, so much creation. Before you came here, so much has happened. Obviously, you did not create it. So you thought, there must be a creator. This is how you come to the creator, isn't it? The moment you thought there must be a creator, because you're in a human form, you thought it must be a big man. A small man like me cannot do all this. It must be a big man. Just 2 hands, how can it do so much creation? Must be 8 hands.
Like Shiva.
Isn't it? Isn't it so? If you were a buffalo, you would be really thinking, God is a huge buffalo. Isn't it so? Yes, sir. You go and ask a buffalo and see. A buffalo will insist, God is a huge buffalo. Maybe 4 horns. You know Idi Amin? You heard of Idi Amin? The Uganda man? Idi Amin declared, God is black. I agree with him.
God is black.
If a white man can have a white God, why can't a black man have a black God?
Why not a black boy?
But both those people are confused. We know God is brown.
Also in India, we always know God, no? Brown. Yeah.
Because he visited us, you know. Some time ago, I was talking to a group of people in Nashville in Tennessee, and I was telling them a joke. In the joke, I just referred to God as Him. Immediately a few ladies stood up. Do you believe God is a man? I knew where it's going. I said, see, see, I'm only telling you a joke. It doesn't matter. You said him, do you believe God is a man? They take the jokes very seriously. Now women are arguing, God could be a woman. Such problems exist only in those cultures. In India, we have man God, we have woman God, we have cow God, we have monkey God, we have everything. Every kind, crawling one, creeping one, flying one. Because we foresaw all the problems of the future. See, when man was the most powerful force on the planet, man was naturally God. Now women are also gaining in their power, so women are questioning, why can't it be a woman? So tomorrow suppose dogs gain lot of power which they're gaining,
They will say, why can't God?
so dogs will ask, why not a dog god? Actually the spelling also is close, you know.
Dog and God, yeah.
They seem to be closer than you, isn't it? So your idea of God is just an exaggerated version of yourself, isn't it? Your idea of God is just an exaggerated version of yourself. See, you are still not able to define yourself, isn't it? Whatever definition you put on yourself is not correct. Any kind of definition you put on you, it is not enough to describe this one. When this small piece of creation is like this, the source of creation, how are you going to put a definition on it? You cannot define it, you cannot understand it.
You guys, believe it or not, this guy here speaks facts, and whatever thing that he speaks, I'm pretty sure you learn a lot of things out of it.
Yeah,
So please, try to watch and learn a lot.
yeah.
You can only dissolve into it. You can experience it. You can never know it. You can't make knowledge out of it. Whatever knowledge you have about God is just pure nonsense, cultural nonsense. Depending upon which kind of culture you are in, that kind of God you have, isn't it? It can only be experienced. Experience does not mean you can eat it or you can grasp it. No, you can experience only by dissolving in it. There is no other way. So, we are just looking for methods of dissolution so that we can experience something far bigger than ourselves.
Wow.
So according to you, who is God?
Who is God, first of all? According to you, whoever watching, we don't care you are from Christian, Hindu, Islam, Buddhism or
Other religions.
China, they watch…
Or paganism.
China, they have that God, Buddhism. Yeah.
Buddhism.
So who is Lord? Who is Lord to you? Is your Lord. If you say, I'm your Lord, okay, I'm your Lord also.
So see the funniest stuff is when it says that everyone now is claiming to be
Yeah.
that God is like this, God is like this. So according to him, he's saying that God can be in any way that you explain it, because everyone has his own cultural difference. So in your culture, God may be this, God may be this. Such
According
as,
to the
such as there's Lord Shiva, all of
cow
them.
and those things.
So-
According to the feeling.
Yeah, so he says that if buffaloes or even dogs have power, he wants them to claim.
Yes.
Like women are saying now, why can't he be her? How come God is him?
Yeah,
Should be her.
because like, there's one day I asked one of my Hindu friends that why do you people worship cow? He told me like according to their own belief
Yeah.
and culture, like because they have so much benefit, they get so much benefit from the cow.
From the cow.
That is
so
why-
a cow is like a savior.
Yeah, a savior to them. Like that is according to the culture, whatever like help you to that extent, then you will definitely worship.
Yeah, also like in our culture, what we like,
Yeah, we also do have some animals where we keep them as
Yeah,
sacred
ours is
animals.
snake.
Yours is snake.
Yeah.
Ours
What is
is
snake?
frog. Ours is a frog, our sacred animal. India is, they have so many cow, even monkey, yeah, so many here. That was really amazing, guys, and yeah, something we saw. And in behalf of Mr. Zakir, the first person who spoke, what do you think? Like, he was just, I think this is what is all written in Quran.
Yeah, like
Islam, they just follow that.
they follow the Quran, and which is very different. So this side, the other side.
Actually, what Zakir spoke is totally different
Yeah.
from what
Like
Zakir spoke.
yes, Saguru doesn't speak like about maybe things which are written.
Yeah.
It's all about the stature.